This is a question that you are supposed to ask a business owner anytime they approach you and ask you to help them file their VAT return. Okay? Most people overlook this question, and sometimes they find that they are not able to file this return at that date that the business owner want this return to be filed. Like today is 11th February, okay? The deadline for filing VAT return is 20th, okay? The business owner wants that return to be filed on 17th, okay? So what do? Today is 11th. Is there something that you need to ask them, even as you wait for that date that they want their VAT to be filed? Is there something that you need to ask them as you wait? I'm going to tell you all that. This is a question you should not overlook, because it can come that day may arrive and you are not able to file that return. And you know, saying you don't know is not an answer. Okay? KRA cannot take that as an answer. You are supposed to know. It is your responsibility. So, as an accountant, advise the business owner. Ask them this question even before that date, okay? So that you are able to know their status, okay? What I mean by their status, I'm going to tell you by the end of this session. This is one question that I want you to ask the business owner, someone who has approached you, they want you to help in filing their VAT return. Don't overlook this question, okay? So be attentive up to the end of this session. I told you, in Personal Consultancy Limited, we say numbers don't lie. We emphasize on keeping accurate record. We are not guessing anymore. This is year 2026. You are not guessing. You want to keep accurate record? Let me know, okay? I will help you do that, okay? So, subscribe to my YouTube channel. You will be updated on matters, things that are happening in the economy, changes in taxes, the tax regime, if it has changed. I'll keep you updated. Not only updating you, but also interpreting, doing interpretation. What does it mean? Which action are you supposed to take because of these changes that has happened? As a business owner, I'm going to advise you, okay? So I will not just update you on what has happened, okay? On what is happening. I will not only give you updates, I will also interpret. I will tell you what it means, the action you are supposed to take in your business. Does it affect you? All that, I will be telling you all that, okay? So that is an incentive that you must subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that notification bell, because for you to be notified as I post new videos, okay? So let's dive into the agenda of the day. The agenda of the day, I want to tell you, to just let you know the question that you are supposed to ask a business owner in case they approach you and they want you to help in filing their VAT return, okay? Ask them this first question, okay? Ask them, have they filed VAT return before? That is the first thing you are supposed to ask them. You have been employed as an accountant. This is your first time in that company. They have told you they are starting to file VAT. What is the first question you should ask your employer, the business owner? Have you filed the VAT return before? That's the first question, because you cannot just start filing VAT return without registering for VAT obligation. First of all, you have to register for VAT obligation, then you are able to file VAT return, okay? So you help your employer, the business owner, help them apply for VAT obligation. Once they are registered, they are able to file VAT return, okay? Are we together up to that point? Okay, don't wait for that day, that date that the employer, the client has given you. They have told you, I want to file my VAT on 17th. The deadline, you know, it's always on 20th every month. Don't wait for that day. Ask them questions. If they have not registered, you help them apply. They get registered for VAT obligation. Okay, so it's mostly for people who are filing right now. They are filing TOT, turnover tax, but they have hit the threshold. Their turnover is now 5 million or more. So they need to be registered for VAT. You cannot just say that you are going to start filing VAT and it does not come automatic. First, you have to register for VAT obligation, and there are requirements that you need for you to register for VAT obligation. Okay, so it's good you approach someone who know what they know what they are doing. Okay, so you can approach me, I can help you register for VAT obligation. So for accountants, that's the first question you should ask them. Okay, don't let your employer pay penalties. Ask them in advance. Okay, even if they tell you, I want to file TOT, I want to file VAT, you must have some questions that you are supposed to ask them even before that date. Don't wait for that date. Prepare in advance. Okay, don't wait to prepare that day. The day you are filing your VAT should not be the day that you are preparing. Check their account on iTax. Check what the e-teams is saying about their sales and purchases. Advise them accordingly. Okay, let them know their status. Okay, let them know their status. Okay, so just do those preparation. Don't wait for that day. Okay, check, because when you prepare in advance, you are able to do that thing will be done very well. Okay, are we together up to that point?